And another thing is respect in that sense, also respect for community partners. We hear over and over again, the marginalized populations that we work with, they really value the relationship because they think that we respect them. Some participants say that libraries are great. Some participants say that they went to a library to learn about computer, but they felt that they were disregarded or ignored. Sort of the sense that, oh, you don't know this kind of attitude, right? So that's why a lot of participants say that respect that our team showed told that our participants was very important. And also really close communication with community partners. It had to be you really take initiative and keep track of the community meetings. I have big Excel file where I take notes of the meeting times and discussed and so on, because the community partners often, again, they have lots of things that they need to take care of. You are only one part of their big program, right? So you have to be organized and proactive in meetings and so on. So I intentionally travel to, drive 30 minutes or an hour to meet with community representative instead of having phone call or Zoom call, because I think that's important. That shows your sincerity and your investment in the project. So early on, when I tried to build a relationship, I spent a lot of time on that, like actually going there. But once the trust is established, it is easier. Now I just call them, email, and they're really good about sort of following up with us. So those things are important. Again, I think because we are a scholarly community, ultimately, we want to be able to disseminate our research findings, right, through publications and presentations and so on. So you have to be creative in terms of what can be research components, right? I was recently asked to write a book chapter about the process, right? So even your experience of building relationships can be a book chapter. So you have to kind of think, and once you invest your time and efforts early on, I think that, there can be a lot of delayed gratification later. So you may not think, it's not like content analysis, you analyze and, have paper boom within 6 months, but you may get multiple papers and sort of more longitudinal sort of analysis of relationship. Again, not only the actual research you conducted, research processes, a lot of people are interested in your writing about that as well.